So the heavy rains haven't started coming yet. It was drizzling really lightly earlier, and now the rain is starting to pick up a little heavier, but right now it's only Tuesday, about 4:30. So not too bad yet. Hopefully we don't get hit. Here's the front. There's a house over here. They're boarded up. And over there, they're boarded up. And there's a bunch that aren't. But not too bad yet. Again, Tuesday, around 4:35. So it's about 10 Tuesday evening. My camera's not the best, so it might be a little blurry. Winds are starting to pick up. No rain right now, but I would say we're getting anywhere from 4 to 12-mile-an-hour gusts. So here we are. They're all boarded up. Keep you posted. Very little rain right at the moment. Out of Lanai. And as you can see, the rain's coming down a little bit. But this is probably the calm before the storm. You can see the sprinklers hitting. Not drastic. It hasn't been really bad all day so far. We've gotten a little bit of rain here and there, but again, nothing too bad yet. Starting to get a little more breezier. Feels nice though, actually. The rain stopped. But the wind's starting to pick up a little bit. It's about 11. Winds are picking up a little bit. Rains are picking up a little bit. Let's see if that's better. Anyways, getting ready. Not too bad yet, but we know it's coming. There's a nice gust of wind. Well, it is raining, and the wind, you can see that over there. Gusts have definitely picked up. And it's more steady now. Of course, changing directions. Oh, there goes our tree, our magnolia tree. Yeah. Well, Hurricane Ian. Whew. Waves a little chilly. So it's about noon right now. We're in it. Woo! Woo! That's cold, man. Here it comes. Ian has made landfall in Fort Myers, and rain's picking up. This is the back of the house. Trees up there so far. I don't see any big limbs or anything in the yard. But so far we're doing good. Let's pray it keeps that way. Uh-oh. I heard that tree crack. It is getting windy. We are getting about 70 to 80 mile an hour winds right now. And I don't know if you heard that crack earlier, but good chance that one right there may break loose. Hope not. That's trees in my yard, and that actually looks like it's leaning pretty bad. But if it does go, hopefully it goes in that same direction. Well, we're getting ready for the worst of it. So just moments after I was out here filming and I showed you guys that tree looks like it's gonna fall, it fell, and thank God it went away from the house.
Ooh, look at all that cooking.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're getting hit now. These winds have got to be definitely over 80. And it's coming through here. Hoping none of these trees fall. I got some back there behind. Woo, that rain. Oh my God. Woo, that's cold. Hurricane Ian has arrived. Woo. Wind is whipping through. We got some damage to our lanai there. Up on top there. Hopefully that's going to hold up. And it is raining and it is windy. It's starting to puddle over there. Hurricane Ian is wishing Tristan a very happy birthday. That tree is coming down. Whoa, boy. It's covering that other tree now. It's really leaning, so hopefully those stay okay, but those are never leaning like that. Those trees are touching the ground. It seems like so far, right around Gus, I'm the only one who lost a couple trees. Oh, and we lost power. It's out now for good. Listen to that wind. Missing a couple of screens from the Lanai. Another large tree uprooted. There's where the roots are. Let me squeeze through here. And wifey's trying to clean up a little bit. Magnolia tree. Bunch of other branches from these big trees. And then, boom, another big tree down. Little oak tree is actually a lot bigger than what I thought. It's probably about the same size as that small one there that's growing. But
talk about having some great fortune and God being on our side. That was where it was at. A gentleman came by. His name was Nathan. That's all he told us. Works for a pond company. Well, they do like preserves and things like that, not just like small ponds, but big retention ponds, things like that. And they go in and take care of stuff. And he said they got to cut trees and things like that. So he came in here with no charge whatsoever, just being a nice person, cut down all those limbs that were hanging from this huge tree that dropped on our shed. And just to give you an idea how big, you see all those huge tree limbs, and he cut them down into smaller pieces that we can hopefully carry. And then it left that huge tree going back. And when he was up on the roof here, he noticed some holes. And where those went in. Now I'm going to try to check. So there is the damage inside the shed. Nice big hole. And you can see how that rafter snapped, and you got some other holes up through here. But it survived that heavy ass tree. And thank God, saved my John Deere mower.